Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is not one of an unboxing. Today I'm having a little talk about a wonderful day I had today at the beauty show London, at the Excel London. It's a 2-day conference or show for beauty enthusiasts and professionals. Now this is first time for me. I completely didn't know what to expect. I looked at the title, thought brilliant. I didn't look into it that much, to be fair. So I went in with an open mind, and so we went to, so there we go. So we arrived at the show, and to find that it was not only makeup, it was beauty, spa. So it included anything literally from the actual therapies themselves, the training, makeup to tools, microblading, you name it, it was there. It was brilliant. It was so educational. A fantastic day for anybody who is enthusiastic or has a business in beauty, spa. Amazing. So first we had a look around and we saw Cordley, Matisse, Forever Beauty, and lots of other brands. Some I've never heard of before and some that I have heard of before. So I'm going to talk through a few of the items that I either bought or picked up was on the way round, and also following me talking to you, we've got a clip of kind of what the show was like and a few photographs of what was there. Okay, so the one thing that I thought was amazing, and as I'm becoming more interested in beauty and want to learn more, I subscribed to this. Now the show offer was £29. Now if you subscribed at the show, you got an item with it. Now this item here is £82. So for the price of this subscription for a year, you've got this item which is meant to help your skin tone, your healing. It's just basically meant to be an amazing cream. Just so I will be using that. You can use it daily. You can either use it as a mask and wash it off. You can leave it on if you want something to be used more thorough. So watch this space. I will be using that, and I may do a little bit more of a feedback on that on a later date when I've used it a few times. Okay. And that came in a bag which I thought was quite sweet, which says I love beauty, professional beauty. Right. Now I've been on a look for a new foundation which I'm wearing today from these guys. Now I think most people who watch the beauty unboxings and channels and bloggers will know this company, and this is a relatively one of the newer ones, which is a HD, and I'm wearing it at the moment and it feels brilliant. Not like my other foundation that I've used before. It feels like, I don't even really feel that I'm wearing foundation. So that's another one. I will watch this space, and I'll keep using this one, and I'll open it up so you can see what it's like inside. And as you can see I've used it. Okay, so there you go. Watch this space and I will tell you more about that in the future. Okay. Now, to be honest, it's not a type of show that you go round and pick up free samples and things. It's very, very aimed for professionals, the training side of things. There was seminars and then there was teaching sessions. It was very educational, and there was lots of people that you could ask questions, and they were very knowledgeable. There was one company that did give free samples out, and it was Matisse, and they have little bags that they gave out, and they came with a little leaflet, okay, and some little samples inside, which were the eyes, Precious Caviar Black Gel, which I've not actually come across before, so that would be nice to give it a try. And we have these, so we've got 2 Cell Expert Beauty Elixirs and a Face Renew Cosmetic Microdermabrasion Face Cream. So not quite sure about that. So there we go. So, right. After having a wander around and we've taken lots of photographs and speaking to lots of people, I went to the press office and had a little chat about different bits and pieces, and I mentioned obviously I'm on YouTube and I'd be talking to you guys about today. So, and they said, oh, okay, did you want some bits to talk about? So I said, oh yes please. So they gave me a little bag with some bits in. So I will show you the bits that I got. So first things first, it says AG Skin Repair, and there is a little sample in there, and it says moisturising formulation to help firm, heal and soothe the skin, regenerate skin cells, creates a protective barrier to the skin. So that'd be quite nice to try. And this one says an instant energy dry conditioner. Ooh. So this is a conditioning spray. Is that? Let me just check it is for hair. Yep. Oh, it smells nice. Oh yes, I like that's nice actually, and it's quite nice. Oh yeah, smells really nice. Very nice. I shall be definitely using that one. That's very nice. Okay. I must admit, it would have been nice to have this early in the conference. It was very warm in there, but there was lots of people having therapies and demoing people. So there was lots of kind of people under towels and lots of procedures and things and microabrasions and things. So it had to be quite warm in there. But there's a nice drink here, spring water with a kiss of raspberry and blueberry. So I'll be quite. I won't try this now, but it sounds very nice. Okay, and we have a Eye Prime Flawless Blur Gel. So there's a little sample of primer. Ooh. We have a Pro Spa hand cream from OPI. I can still smell the conditioning spray. It still smells really gorgeous. Is it open? Is it got a seal on it? Yeah, it's got a seal on it. So look, there you go, look, little seal. And this has in it ultra nourishing, and it doesn't say massaging to hands and forearms as part of the manicure service. So this is part of the actual service. So this is a professional product. Oh, it smells lovely, and it does smell very like spa-like. Oh yes, that smells absolutely gorgeous. Lovely. And the last two things in there are some nail bits. So I'll open these up and have a quick look. It says Sample Mini Kit, and this is by Jamberry, and it says healthinyourhome.jamberry.com. Okay, I can open it up. Oh. Just going to, there's lots of little bits in there, so I'm just going to, oh wow, there's lots of bits in here. Okay, so it's got lots of, so it's got how to do, right, let me see. So it's got some nail wraps. there. Little fun nail wraps. Little alcohol wipes to prepare the skin. To prepare the nails even. You've got a little cuticle pusher and a little bit to wipe your nail varnish off around and off the edge there. I think it's called an orange stick. And a little emery board. And in here you've got join the team, starter kit suits your style, business basics. So it's just basically instructions on how to use the kit. Oh, that's not quite what I planned to do. Yeah, there you go. It's the nail wraps. Okay. Beautiful. And there's another very similar, so I'm just going to move that away so I don't mix them up. Because there's another very similar kit by another company, I think. This one's by Rachel Kelly. And this one says scratch to win. So there's a little kind of competition card there, which I will put to one side. And I'm just going to pour this out onto the surface. So be as quick as I can. Right, so we have here moisturising hand cream for afterwards, I guess. So also in this kit we have a cuticle pusher and an orange stick, an alcohol preparation pad and a little emery board, and this looks like these actual wraps themselves are actually from, even though it's supplied by a different company, are actually supplied by the same brand, because it's on the business card it says Jamboree. So there you go. So then it's got the instructions the same as the other one. And you've got the pretty, let me just grab, if I can grab it. There we go. There you've got pretty little nail wraps there. Look. There we go. Pretty. Very pretty. Okay, so that's what was in that bag, I do believe. Yeah, and that was that bag there. Look. I think I've shown you that, but there you go. And they also gave me this bag. Okay. Now this is a company I've not heard of before. So let's dive in. Right. First thing I'm going to pull out is a beauty liquid, and it says it's a collagen supplement. And it says take 1 vial per day for radiant skin. For best results, follow with 8 fluid ounces of water or mix with your favourite juice. So you've got to drink a lot of water of that. So keep hydrated. So I guess that's some sort of nutrient drink. Who doesn't like a face mask? This one says the next generation of anti-aging mask infuses with a unique infusion of volcanic water, brightening botanicals, peptides, antioxidants, and the ultimate youthful appearance and radiance derived from red algae and carob tree. The Revolution Soothing Hydrogel was developed to increase delivery of active ingredients, reduce fine lines, wrinkles, brighten and rejuvenate aging skin. Wow, that sounds really lovely. It says for all skin types, aging, pigmentation, tired, dull, fine lines, and even skin tone. Well, I've got quite a few of those descriptions there, so I'll be looking forward to giving that a go at some point. Right, let's have a look. So and now there's some other bits and pieces in here. Right, so that's the bag there. So we have some little samples. So here we have, it says here, Eye Conceal Foundation, little sample of foundation. I do believe that's the same concealer primer as what was in the other bag. Eye prime, it's like a blur gel, yeah. And this one says Clear Cell Restoring Serum, oil free. A light moisturising serum that soothes and absorbs the surface of the skin with a mattifying effect. Vitamin B6 derivative helps to restore the skin's overall healthy balance, to visually minimise pores, shine and sebum production, while botanicals reduce the appearance of irritation and inflammation. That sounds... Oh, and it says act against acne. Oh, that's... I may be heading towards 40 very soon, but I still have a problem with the old acne, so that might be one to look at. Very nice. And last but no means least, there's a booklet, and it's got all the information, and it says age later, and it's got all the information about the products the company has. Okay, so all in all, that was what I had brought home with me from the show. It was fantastic, very educational. You got to see microblading, which is a procedure that I have personally considered, although members of my family have really kind of not keen that I want to have, for me to have it done, but I'm still not put off by actually seeing it face to face. There was the salt lamps, which looked amazing, aromatherapy tools, glitters. There was also a hairdressing competition going on. There was also body art competitions going on. The list could go on and on and on. All I can say is we'll put some photographs and a little bit of video footage on after this, and all I can say is just enjoy. All I can say is thanks for watching, subscribe, press the bell, and have a happy, healthy day. Thank you very much. Bye bye.